Okay, I think it's working now. Alright, so BalaBit. Do I pronounce it correctly?
BalaBit.
BalaBit. Well, getting there.
More or less correct.
Okay, so tell me please, why should I care? What makes me want to use your software? Why is it better than grep?
Well, there are for two different things. With grep, you search your logs which you already corrected. With SysLogNG, on the other hand, you collect your logs from various sources. So they are for a completely different purpose. With SysLogNG, you can collect your logs from Apache, from Syslog, from Cisco routers, your applications,
So
all kinds of sources.
it allows you to collect logs from various computers on the network. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
And routers.
And routers, pretty much anything you can think of. You can use SysLogNG to collect the logs from it. You can parse those logs, extract the information you need. You can correlate the logs. So if you have, I don't know, a few different sources, like a router and SSH daemon, you can combine the logs of the two and treat them as a single event. You can then put them in a database. You can forward it to your log analytics system like Graylog or Kibana or something like that. And then it allows you to build a very complex system to analyze your logs. And SysLogNG is one of the most powerful things.
So when you said you can put it through to others analysis system, whatever, whichever is pronounced. I take it that your software does not do the actual analysis. No.
No, it does not.
It just compiles. Okay, and you said it parses the log file. So
Yes.
I suppose something like, okay, this log was collected from this machine and it will be inserted into the line with the date when it was.
Yes. Yes.
All right. And so if you say that this thing can be installed even on client of this thing can be installed even on a switch or a router, I take it that this thing is cross platform indeed.
Yes, it is very cross-platform. The open source version is mostly aimed at Linux and BSDs, but it runs on pretty much any Unix. We have a commercial version of it, which runs on about 70 different platforms, from Solaris to AIX to ancient Red Hat Linux 2, through HPUX. We even have an agent for one of the IBM mainframes, which I forgot the name of. Some C-series thingamajiggy.
70 different platforms. This is big.
Yes.
This is impressive. Really impressive.
It is. And
what about OpenWRT?
I think we have a package for OpenWRT. Or if we don't, then it's very easy to compile it for that. I know it works on ARM because it's being used on Raspberry Pis. And I use it on my own router, which is a very, very old one. It's so old it can't even run OpenWRT.
Oh God.
It runs Tomato or something. But yeah, it's portable to pretty much anywhere.
What about the most unusual platform, most unusual device it was running on? I don't know, maybe watches from Sony that you might have seen just a second ago there or something?
The Amazon Kindle.
Okay.
It is actually on the Amazon Kindle by default. So it's the most widely deployed logging solution, simply because it runs on the Amazon Kindle. So everyone who has a Kindle is a SysLogNG user.
Okay, so I take it Kindle is your big customer of yours.
No.
Do you have any I mean, can I ask you any of the companies
we have a
that
few
are
big
actually your
names.
customers?
Yes, NASA is our customer.
Who is?
NASA.
Oh.
Uh, a few our customers include banks. I can't name names.
Okay, for legal
afraid,
reasons.
but yes.
But NASA, it already speaks for itself.
Yes. I don't know. Various governments. Ericsson.
So your platform is stable, we can say.
Yes. Yeah. The company's been running for 10 years. This particular software system engine has been running for 12, 13 something years.
What
And
about
it's still going strong.
what about backing up of your log database, if I can say so? Are there any tools that you say your stuff collects the logs, right?
Yes. There are no built-in solutions for that in SysLogNG. SysLogNG is just a building block. So if you want to build a backup solution around it, you can of course build it, but you have to build it yourself.
So I will have to go into grep and bash and stuff, yeah?
Or you can put your logs into a database, for example MongoDB, and set up a MongoDB replica set and do the backing up that way. You can use a clustered file system and just put it into files, or you can feed it to Elasticsearch, or you can feed it to another device which does the backing up for you. We also have an appliance built on top of SysLogNG, which is specifically designed to collect and store your logs in a secure and reliable way. So it does not only collection, but it will also encrypt your logs and timestamp it in a cryptographically secure way. So if anyone tries to tamper with your logs, you will never, because it will fail to validate. And this appliance has built-in support for backups and for high availability too. So you can turn it into a cluster, and if one node goes down, the other will automatically turn.
Oh, okay. What about you mean? As far as I understood, that your solution is like dual licensed. One is the free license that AGPL, I believe.
SysLogNG itself, the open source edition or the core, is a mix of GPL and LGPL, and we have a commercial version which has a few extra modules which are proprietary to the license. But the core of SysLogNG is free software, GPL.
Tell me more about closed source application. I would also like to know what additional advantages does it give you?
The closed source version gives you this buffering, because that's not available in the open source edition. That means that if your network goes down, then the open source version will keep messages that come in memory. With the commercial version, you can also write them to disk. So if SysLogNG crashes or the machine goes offline, then you will have a copy on the disk, even for messages that have not been sent yet because the network was down. So that's one advantage. But this is something that will come to the open source version very soon. We have new protocol in the commercial version called Reliable Log Transport Protocol, or RLTP. This is built on TCP, and it guarantees that messages will be kept on the client side until the server acknowledged that it has written them to disk. So
fail safe session. Okay.
Exactly.
All right.
In the commercial version, there's also SNMP target, so you can generate SNMP alerts from your logs, which is pretty useful if you want to use your logs for monitoring purposes as well.
Well, for someone like banks, obviously, you have a lot of things to offer.
Yes.
All right. How does your products work with some other fail-safe solutions? I don't know, let's say backing up solutions, that sort of things. You have any integration with any other products? Are you planning anything?
I do not know that, I'm afraid.
Okay, fair enough. Honest question, honest answer.
Yeah. I know we integrate with a lot of other applications, but I mostly know about, well, not backup applications, but applications we can take logs from, or applications we can send logs towards to.
Is your software configurable? Let's say I have my own application. Let's say I have my own application which has a log. Can I easily?
Yes.
I didn't even have to answer the question. Sorry, ask the question.
So both in the open source version and in the commercial version, there's a very powerful feature called PatternDB, which is pretty much a domain-specific language with which you can describe your log messages and extract information out of them. So with a couple of lines of templates, you can customize the parser in pretty much any way you want, and you can extract the information you need and store it in a way you like. For example, if there's a user ID in the message, you can store it in the appropriate field in an SQL database. Or if there is, I don't know, a credit card number, you can mask it or turn it into a hash to anonymize it.
All right, that's good. You've answered more questions than I've actually asked. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.